Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on a Samsung mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung mobile phone, you have to press your volume button and your power button at the same time. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you guys. I'm just going to press on both of them. Okay, and now the screenshot has been taken. And then if you don't want to use the button to take a screenshot, you can use the assistant menu to help you take a screenshot. This is how the assistant menu looks like. You just need to click on this assistant menu, and then you are going to click on screenshots. Okay, you can activate this assistant menu on your setting. Just go to your setting and then go to the accessibility setting right here, and then you are going to open the interaction index 3D, and this is the assistant menu. You can activate the assistant menu right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can take a screenshot on a Samsung mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.